Hello everyone and welcome back to the Crypto Moses channel. I'm finally at my other city's office, so I'm pumped to make a video today. I'm finally not freaking running around. Let's get some general nice information TA out there. Let's see what the market's looking like. First step is Bitcoin, right? If you guys haven't looked at the market the past day or two and you've just been looking at meme tokens, you always gotta pause and look at Bitcoin. I haven't had a chance, so I'm sorry, so I'm finally doing it today. But here's what we know. From our last thing, it broke out of that descending triangle. I don't even actually know the name of it. Don't judge me there. But out of that going downwards triangle is what I usually call it. And it had a good run up at about 10%. I have been allegedly leveraging on some other exchanges, so I really like that because that 10% turned into 100% from a small balance. So you can think of it that way, and there are smart ways to use that to your advantage, especially if you don't have a lot of capital to be playing. You can always outsmart the system. Now, meme token wise, because of these small moves, so here's the thing. That big run up in that 10-day or that 10% run up was about a 6-day thing. In the past 2-3 days, pretty much full 1 day, we've had a drop of about 4%. How that impacts the liquidity in the meme token market is it impacts it huge. Here's the thing. Crypto's already freaking volatile, right? But crypto is extremely volatile in the meme token community. That's why meme token can go from 0 to 1,000% in under 10 hours, and under 5 hours, and under 10 minutes, right? It fucking happens, man. And that's the point of being in the meme narrative, is that we have a chance to 1,000x, 100x, fucking millionx. I made out that up. I've never seen a millionx. But we could 1,000x a lot faster than any other market that we're playing in. That's why I like it. And then you do want to take a chance to look at Bitcoin, because that kind of gives you the entire sentiment of the market. Here's what we know. Right now, we've had a death cross occur on all of the time frames under 45 minutes. Right, 45 minutes is where it hasn't begun. So if that continues, and it happens in the 45, happens in the hour, we are looking at a full-blown downtrend. And it's okay to be at a downtrend, but now we need the new lines and to understand, okay, where is this downtrend going to stop? Where will it hopefully find support, and where will it find resistance on the way back up? Here's the half-ass drawn channel, because I don't think that was a great drawn channel. But we don't necessarily have right now a trajectory of where it's moving, except it's kind of in this little range. That little range is only about 3-4%. There's some people would play this on leverage, where they would take a buy signal in and see if it stays into there. And ooh, ETH is 2.27. Where are we at? Let's go. Actually, I'll get to ETH in a sec. But what we do see here is that we're in this range. It's a very small range. Smart play sometimes is to play it up and down using leverage, but not always, because we don't have any confirmations, and we're waiting to see if these EMAs actually cross. And also, we're only at the 45-minute time frame. You want to definitely look at the other time frames and kind of see where it's at. Yeah, see, look. It's fully like kind of stabilizing the resistance here. Here's another thing too, you guys. Some of the big influencers were talking about this. It's a good point, you guys. Do you ever think about the fact that ever since Blackscale, all these big ass companies are doing the ETFs? Have you ever noticed that Bitcoin's volatility has dropped tremendously in regards to moving 40, 80, just big ass percentage moving? Now it's only doing 2 to 5 to 10% in a day's time. So that really means that a lot of the fun in market moves and big market money is probably going to keep being in meme tokens. So this is the chance to learn about meme tokens. And shameless plug, but if you want to learn, you want access, you want some good information, all these alphas, use the link below. I've got the HGAccess link. The community is consistently growing, and literally it's the best place to find that type of information. So if you're in for long-term big goals or quick big gains on meme tokens, the answer there is to find information and to be consistent. You do have to be a little bit more vigilant, because they move so fast, but that's what creates the opportunity. Without risk, there's no freaking reward, and you got to remember that. But in regards to like the big tokens, you can always play these on leverage. You can always use these to understand the sentiment of the entirety of the market, and you can use those to make your leverage decisions on, okay, am I going to take a risk on a meme token today? How does the market look? How does the market feel? Another thing too that happens in meme tokens, even if the big market isn't doing well, the meme token market can have some freaking gems, that 1,000x, 100x, because they don't need a lot of liquidity to create that big movement. That's why they're meme tokens, and they're also micro cap. If you really think about it, you guys, we're technically in the penny stock market for crypto, and it's available to anybody where it's not like regulated or bothered. So that's honestly why I do love it. It's like the Wild West of crypto, but you just have to be smart. You've got to protect your keys. You got to protect your money. And I'm hoping you're following the 10 commandments of crypto and you're actually using it to your advantage, because the goal here is not to lose money, boys. The goal here is to make money, everybody, and make it maybe a part-time job or a side gig, or make it a full-time job. I know a lot of people that full-time trade and make so much money from it. I originally started all my business careers from that, actually. That and mining crypto opened up so many doors for me and allowed me to create the opportunities I have today. So that's my advice to you. Just don't stop learning. Keep trading, keep practicing, keep watching the market. And the more you learn, the better off you're going to be. If you got ideas or questions, you guys comment on them below. Please click subscribe. I'm doing my best to get the videos out. I appreciate your patience and I appreciate all the feedback. Thank you, everyone. I'll see you on the next one.